Okay, welcome back after lab number 11. We are going to lab number 12 right now. So in this one, we're gonna create a virtual machine, and we're gonna correlate that when we create the virtual machines. Then okay, just give me 1 minute. So I just get back. Okay, now we're gonna create a virtual machine. So in this virtual machine, we're gonna create Windows Server 2019 VM. Okay. Okay, creating a virtual machine, we're gonna create it for Windows Server 2019, which will be called VMFEI. Okay, in the subnet or virtual network VNet Cloud. Okay, which we created. Okay, so in Azure portal, we're gonna create a resource. So we are already on compute. Okay, so what we're gonna do, this is an overview. If you remember, this is basically an overview. This is all. Okay, and this is basically compute. Okay, in that compute, you see there's a virtual machine instance over here. Go to virtual machine, create virtual machine, or you put create virtual machines or add virtual machine, it's the same thing. We are gonna do create virtual machine. Okay, create the resource group. Okay, create the resource group. Okay, now the resource group will be RG Cloud. Okay, this under this resource group we're gonna do it. Okay, VMFEI, is it? Sorry, it's not I, is MFEI1 virtual machines. Okay, and because it's RG Cloud, because it's an RG Cloud, so the region will be East US 2, East US 2. Okay. What is the availability options? Availability option is availability set. Okay, availability set we have already created in the last lab, which is AS Cloud. We are creating that one. Image is Windows Server 2019, Windows Server 2019 data center. Okay, standard DS1 version 2, 1 CPU, 3.5 virtual memory. Okay, username administrator, admin account, sorry, not administrator, admin account, password, you can create password. Okay, okay, I've done that. Okay, inbound rules, public inbound rules. Inbound rules is allow selected ports RDP3389. Okay, RDP3389. Let's go on OS disk. Canon CPU. There you go. When you put all these information, then you go up and go onto the disk. Okay, in OS disk you should work for standard HHD. HHD. Okay, put a no there. Okay, then you go up, then you go on to the networking one. In the networking one is VNet Cloud is there. In the VNet Cloud, you're selecting web subnet as a web subnet, this one, and public IP NIC network security group Next network security group would be basic, should be basic. Okay, this is a new, this is an IP, public IP is there. Okay, select inbound ports, select inbound ports, so you can select multiple ports in there. Okay, it's testing. Okay, this is basically an you go into the advanced level. As soon you go into the advanced level, okay, networking. Okay, it's giving me a basic over here. Basic is giving me only one. None, no more ports. I said allow networking ports. Let's see, I'm just looking into it. Okay, this one is not showing anything right now. Let's go back, go to networking. I don't know why it's not VNet. Should be a VNet cloud. Web subnet is basic. I don't know how come this. Okay, previous is gonna go previous. Okay, I'm gonna pause and just have a look what's going on. Okay, just give. Okay, we're gonna go through this exercise one more time, like creating a virtual machines. Okay, RG cloud. After the RG cloud, okay, we'll go put a virtual machine name. It's the same exercise. I don't know why it's gone through the 3389 VMnet. Okay, so VMFE1, it should be East US2. East US2. Okay, availability set. Okay, AS cloud server 2019, data center Azure Spot instance. No. Admin account. Okay, create a, you can put any password over here. Okay, I hope it's going on. Creative and okay, RDP, allow selected ports is RDP. Okay, next you press over here, or either you go up. Okay, or either you can press over here this. Okay, you can press disk. Next you can put it as standard HHD. Okay, used HHD. Advanced, you go advanced, you said yes on the manage disk. Then you go to select networking. As soon as you go to select networking, VNet cloud is already coming, but you have to drop down this and you have to change the subnet to web subnet. Okay, this web subnet, and then you selected it to basic. Okay, see, it's a RDP 889. Okay, okay, okay. And then you go to the management options. Okay, when you're on the management section over here, okay, on management section, boot diagnostics should be off. Boot diagnostics is off. OS guest diagnostics is off. Identity is off. Okay, enable auto shutdown is off. Okay, all these things are on, off. Then you go to the next, advanced. Okay, okay, then you go into the advanced, click tags, click next, tags, advanced, there is nothing on advanced. Okay, click next on tags, VM generation, click tags, next tags. Okay, next tag, click the default values in text, click the default values on text. Okay, next is to review and to create. Okay, it will gonna take, okay, it will gonna take about about like something like one, about like 5 to 8 minutes, and until that I'll gonna pause it. As soon the validation is passed, I should just create. The deployment on the way, I'm gonna put it on pause.